Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Simple English Hub, where you learn English in simple, practical, and powerful ways. Today, I am your teacher, and I am speaking directly to you, my student. Many beginners believe they need long hours to improve their English, but the truth is very different. You do not need 1 hour, 2 hours, or the whole day. What you need is a smart, focused routine. Today, I will teach you a 10-minute daily English workout that can slowly but powerfully train your brain to speak English. Yes, only 10 minutes, but these 10 minutes must be active, not passive. You will listen, repeat, think, and speak. If you follow this routine every day, your English will grow step by step. Now, my students, imagine you have only 10 minutes. We will divide this time into 3 powerful parts. Every second matters. You are not just learning, you are training your brain. First, we begin with the first 3 minutes, listening and shadowing. In these 3 minutes, you will listen to simple English and repeat immediately. Choose a short sentence like, I wake up early every morning. Now repeat it out loud. I wake up early every morning. Again, again. Repeat it at least 5 times. Then move to another sentence. I am learning English every day. Repeat it again and again. This is called shadowing. Many learners make a mistake here. They only listen, but listening is not enough. You must repeat. This step trains your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence. At first, you may feel slow, but do not stop. This is how your brain starts to copy English naturally. Now we move to the next 4 minutes. Speaking simple sentences. This is where your real training begins. You will speak about your life using simple sentences. Look around you and describe what you see. Say, I am sitting. I am holding my phone. I am listening to a lesson. Then talk about your day. Today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I studied English. These sentences may look simple, but they are very powerful. Many learners make a mistake here. They try to use big grammar and difficult words. But remember, your brain needs simple input first. Fluency grows from simple sentences repeated many times. Now we move to the last 3 minutes, question and answer practice. This is where you simulate a real conversation. I will guide you. Imagine I am asking you questions. Let me ask you a question and you will answer with me. What are you doing now? You say, I am learning English. Why are you learning English? You say, I want to improve my future. How do you practice English? You say, I practice every day. This part is very important because it trains your brain to respond quickly. Many learners understand questions but cannot answer. This step fixes that problem. Now, my students, let's talk about the mistakes you must avoid. The first mistake is being passive, just watching videos without speaking. That will not help you speak. The second mistake is inconsistency, practicing one day and stopping the next. Your brain needs daily training. The third mistake is fear, being afraid of mistakes. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Speak freely, even if you are not perfect. Let me guide you through a full mini practice. Imagine you are doing your 10-minute workout now. You listen and repeat. I am learning English. Then you speak. Today, I am practicing English. Then you answer. I want to improve my speaking. This is how your brain builds fluency step by step. Now, let me give you a simple challenge. For the next 7 days, follow this 10-minute workout every day. Do not skip. Even if you feel tired, do it. After 7 days, you will feel more confident. Your brain will respond faster. Your English will start to feel natural. Now, my final message to you, my students, you do not need more time. You need the right method. These 10 minutes can change your English if you use them correctly. Start today. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. Thank you for learning with me today on the Simple English Hub. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson.